What's up, y'all? Hey, it's motherfucking cold as hell. Look at this. Look at this shit. Y'all see that? It's snow on the ground. It's snow. It snowed. So, it's cold as hell. My fingers are frozen. But I'm still about to bring the vlogs to y'all. If my mouth look dry, it's cold. Don't be talking about me. I got chapstick, but I ain't, you know what I'm saying? I don't want my lips start doing all that breaking out and shit. So I'm apparently allergic to chapstick, whatever the hell they put in there. I think it's the beeswax. It made me break out. So I can't use it. But we about to get on the bus, y'all. So yeah, y'all. When I get on the bus, I'ma holler back at y'all. All right, y'all. I'm on the bus. We're heading to McDonald's. So if my nose look crazy right now, y'all, or if it start dripping, don't talk about me. I'm not one of them little kids. I'm not snotty nose, but it's okay. Yeah. But as soon as I get off, I'ma holler at y'all. Or should y'all stay with me? Nah, I'll holler back. Do y'all watch this? Twilight? Anybody watch this? So I know the lighting ain't the best, but y'all, it was cold as hell outside. I ain't gonna hold y'all. Motherfucking toes was froze. Uh, I was like, oh, my toes, can I feel them? Oh, no, I can't feel my toes. Oh, nah, I gotta put some more socks on. So before I leave back out, y'all, I gotta put on socks. I gotta put on like two more pairs of socks. I can't do that to myself no more. My toes, I thought they was cold. I mean, like, I thought they were wet, but they're not wet. They're cold as hell. They were so cold. I was froze. I was like, oh, hell no, y'all. But, yeah. Peace.